Hi everyone, welcome to Flow with Nicole. Today's video is about the new year. As usual, I'll start by reading a short journal and then we'll go over 10 key vocabulary words together. Let's begin. 新年快樂，對我嚟講，新嘅一年唔單止係一個新嘅開始，亦都係一個好嘅機會去回顧上年發生過嘅事。上年我有一個語言嘅目標，我要每日至少花30分鐘學廣東話。我安排喺鋼琴課之後學廣東話，經過幾個月嘅努力，我進步咗，我嘅理解能力提高咗，我仲有一個運動嘅目標，但係我冇成功，因為我冇動力。不過唔緊要，我會喺新嘅一年繼續努力。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 開始、機會、回顧、目標、至少、鋼琴、進步、提高、動力、努力。Now let's go through the keywords from the journal. First, 開始。開始 It means beginning. 新嘅一年代表新嘅開始。New Year represents a new beginning. Next, 機會。機會 This is the word for opportunity. 新嘅一年係一個好嘅機會去回顧上年發生過嘅事。The new year is a good opportunity to reflect on what happened last year. After that, 回顧 which means to reflect. 我通過寫日記回顧上年發生過嘅事。I reflect on what happened last year by writing in a journal. Let's continue with 目標。目標 It means goal. 我上年有一個語言嘅目標。Last year, I had a language learning goal. Let's look at 至少。至少 This word means at least. 我每日至少花30分鐘學廣東話。I spent at least 30 minutes learning Cantonese every day. Then we have 鋼琴。鋼琴 This is the term for piano. 我安排喺鋼琴課之後學廣東話。I schedule my Cantonese study time after my piano class. Moving on, 進步。進步 This refers to improve. 我嘅廣東話進步咗。My Cantonese has improved. Up next, 提高。提高 This is the word for to improve. 我嘅理解能力提高咗。My comprehension ability has improved. Next vocab is 動力。動力 It means motivation. 我冇動力完成運動目標。I did not have enough motivation to complete my exercise goal. Finally, 努力。努力 which means to make an effort. 我會喺新嘅一年繼續努力。I will continue to work hard in the new year. Let's quickly review the keywords we covered today. Please repeat after me. 開始 beginning 機會 opportunity 回顧 to reflect 目標 goal 至少 at least 鋼琴 piano 進步 to improve 提高 to improve 動力 motivation 努力 make an effort. You may have noticed that we have two different ways to say to improve here, 進步 and 提高. Let me explain the difference. 進步 refers to overall progress. On the other hand, 提高 refer to something measurable or specific such as an ability, standard, or statistic. For example, 我嘅廣東話進步咗. My Cantonese have improved overall. 我嘅理解能力提高咗. My comprehension ability has improved. 今年謀殺案嘅案件提高咗. The number of murder cases has increased this year. Also, 進步 has a positive meaning, so it cannot be used for things like crime rates. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick listening quiz. The questions are based on the journal, and the answer are the keywords we just learned. First question. 新嘅一年代表新嘅咩? What does the new year represent? The answer is 開始 beginning. Second question. 新嘅一年係一個好嘅咩？去回顧上年發生過嘅事. The new year is a good word to look back on what happened last year. The answer is 機會 opportunity. Third question. 我點解喺日記寫上年發生過嘅事? Why do I write about what happened last year in my journal? The answer is 回顧 to reflect. Moving on. 我上年有一個關於語言嘅咩? What did I have related to language learning last year? The answer is 目標 goal. Next question. 我每日淨係花30分鐘學廣東話，啱唔啱? Is it correct or incorrect that I only spend 30 minutes learning Cantonese every day? The answer is 唔啱，至少 incorrect, at least. Let's try this one. 我係喺咩課之後學廣東話? After what class do I study Cantonese? The answer is 鋼琴 piano. Up next. 我而家嘅廣東話點? How is my Cantonese now? The answer is 進步 improve. Moving on. 我嘅理解能力點? How is my comprehension ability? The answer is 提高 improve. Next question. 我冇咩導致完成唔到運動目標? What did I lack that prevented me from completing my exercise goal? The answer is 動力 motivation. Final question. 我會喺新嘅一年繼續做咩? What will I continue to do in the new year? The answer is 努力 make an effort. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!